Hello everyone, welcome to Sensible Home Studio, your place for decorating ideas for your home and celebrations. My name is Gretchen, and today, as I return to my design essentials and inspiration, we'll be celebrating design outside our homes. Spring is almost here, although you wouldn't know it from the weather. It was 80 degrees one day and it was snowing the next. The outside vegetation must be confused because I sure am. Trees and flowers are blooming and snow is falling. I attended the Philadelphia Horticultural Society Flower Show a little over a week ago, and the greenhouses that participate, they have unique techniques that they use to accelerate the growth of the blooms of the show displays to provide all the inspiration that we need, snow or no snow. The theme this year was Rooted, Origins of American Gardening, which isn't from a single origin, but is shaped by regional practices, generational knowledge, and cultural traditions, and how ideas travel across continents with participants from around the world. While these displays were over the top, literally, from the front entrance and throughout, it was easy to find ideas within them to transform your outdoor space into a living canvas of color, fragrance, and creativity. These theatrical, artistic floral gardens displays and arrangements by visionary artists will leave you in awe. All the materials are live and natural as they blend nature and the artistic design. If you like to window shop, Robert's Flowers display provides much inspiration to peek into. This large tablescape was my favorite. The dining table is the most common place we gather, and natural elements like flowers are one of the most used choices of centerpieces for decor. And this tablescape, it did not disappoint. Multiple tables connect and are covered in sage crushed fabric as a great foundation for the large floral bouquets and the flowing swags of flowers and roots artfully arranged to be viewed from 4 twig arbors placed on 4 corners of this display, giving everyone an opportunity to view its beauty. There were so many places for photo ops, and I had fun with them, blending in with my flower outfit. This depiction of Frank Lloyd Wright's Falling Waters was among one of the other favorites that I enjoyed. And here's a few others, but not even close to the amount that there was actually there. I highly recommend this show, and this year was the biggest I've attended, and it's the largest garden show in the nation. It occurs early enough in the season to provide all the inspiration you need for your spring gardening. My only regret was that I attended it on the weekend for the first time. It was so crowded, I couldn't do as much video or take as many pictures as I wanted. I'll show a little more in my next video, especially the marketplace. It was as big as the show. You can also view more in my blog. Next time, I'll create a floral arrangement and share my waffles recipe that was inspired by one of the displays in the next video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more inspiration.